to the opening bowler is that today you saw a lot of different types of drones. What did you think about it, and what was your experience witnessing multiple different drones, especially the delivery drone which we're using for Swiggy?
Yeah, first of all, thank you so much for inviting us. And I didn't think that the drones are so big because we only see them in the air and they look small. So when we realized they are big in size.
Mr. Devon Conway. Devon, you being such a versatile player with a wide range of shots, what did you think about the drones that you saw which had diverse applications, especially in terms of mining, agriculture, defense, etc.?
Yeah, I think it's pretty special to see the drones. You know, I didn't know much about drones before today, and seeing some of them with agricultural purpose, defense, as Deepak said, how big some of them are. It's pretty special to see that Garuda's producing such fantastic drones.
My next question would be to Mr. Shivam Dubey. Shivam, please do tell me that you are the man who has been hitting maximums this year, right? With like monstrous sixes. You also saw a very wide range of drones which are super big, especially if you can see Vajra here. This is over 8 feet in length. So what did you think, your first opinion on seeing drones which are super big and they can do a lot of different aspects?
I think I've not seen the drone live before today. So I did not expect that the drone would be so big, and they have so many things to do, probably agriculture, defense, many things, as Deepak said, for the food also. So it's really good for us to get the food early, and I'm very excited about these drones. So really amazing. Thank you.
Devon, the next question is to you. You're from South Africa and also representing New Zealand. So I wanted to know, you've been traveling all around the world. You have a very diverse perspective. I wanted to ask you your opinions of drones, the market globally, and your experience personally when you keep seeing these drones flying, when you're hitting all those sixes.
Yeah, I think the diversity in drones is amazing. You know, as we've learned today, that there's drones for agriculture, defense, you know, also just ordinary use with taking video footages and photos of different parts of the area. And I think the space in which it's growing so nicely and so fast it's great to see. And I think there's more to learn each day as you keep working closely with the drones.
Thank you. Next question would be to Mr. Deepak Chahar. So I saw that you took a keen liking towards the droney drone. So I think you also know, and I spoke to you about this, that we named that drone after none other than Mahendra Singh Dhoni. So what did you think about the droney drone especially, and a few words on that?
I think it's a brilliant name because, you know, everyone knows why it's special. And I would like to say, you know, the drones I saw today, they will surely make a change in the world, because, you know, I come from a village. You know, I've seen agriculture, and I've seen how people struggle in the village. And then my father, he was in defense, he was in Air Force, so I have seen that part also. But I think these drones will really help defense and farmers as well. So I think this is a good chance for all the youngsters, those who want to, you know, help defense, or, you know, be helpful to their family, those who are in agriculture. I think they're going to do an amazing job.
Thank you so much. Yes, I did brief all the three players about our Garuda Kisan drones, which recently received type certification. So you will be able to receive loans as well as subsidies on these drones. And we are seeing over 6,000 drones that have been pre-booked by a lot of youngsters from across India. So just a point to note there. I know we are very huge on stats, and I will be sharing some stats very soon. But let me quickly ask Shivam, like, you know, we would really love to know a little bit about you personally, on how your experience has been as a cricketer, as a youngster, because you inspire a lot of young people around the world. So we just wanted to know, as an athlete, the commitment that you need to put into sport, because that is the same kind of commitment that a drone entrepreneur puts into his work. So we would like to know how important commitment and sincerity is in anything you pursue in life.
Probably it's just about discipline, and it's about dedication, what people think about it. And what is my opinion to everyone, you are a cricketer, you are a football player, or you want to be an engineer, you have to be dedicated. Because if you are dedicated, because many people in India are dedicated, but the percentage are very less. But the percentage you make it more, that makes you successful. So making every day count, every meal, every seconds counts for your life. So it is very important to work every second in every day.